All right, guys, I am going to demonstrate how we can paint this different colors and just scoring it. I haven't done it yet. I haven't tried it yet, so it's all going to be experiment. We'll see how it goes. So we're going to take off the first color we want to paint. It's going to be symmetrical on either side. Let's take this one off. Let's take this one off. Let's leave this one. Take this one off. And this one off. Let's go all the way to the center. And then let's do this one. This one. And let's do this one. Okay. Roll it down. Grab out your primer or your shellac. Let it dry. While we're waiting for this side to dry, we'll go ahead and make sure that this side matches up. This one, and then it looks like the bottom two, and then 1, 2, 3, the skinny guy, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can go ahead and spray this one real quick. All right, gonna let that one dry too. Okay, so I went ahead and got another board cutting and going, one of my other patterns, while we are gonna paint this one. I will probably let it dry for about, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. This stuff really dries fast. So now we are going to paint it. I was gonna do this green, but I think I'm gonna do my blue. Hold on, let me grab my blue. I love this blue, so I'm gonna do this blue. It's Petrol. I should probably put a piece of paper down to spray paint. It's okay. All right. this is a pretty sweet lid, guys. I'll have to look up and see which one this is. It's very concentrated on just that stripe, so it's, I don't feel like that looks cool. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna come back and remove some more masking and mask some other stuff up, and then call it a day. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some places off. And it's not gonna be real precise. We're just trying to cover up the spots that we don't want to paint. So we're gonna cover this up right here. And we're gonna cover up this right here because I'm gonna remove this one. And I'm gonna remove this one. Okay? So those are covered up. We're gonna remove this guy. And we're gonna remove this guy, which means we need to cover up this one right here. And again, you don't have to be like crazy about it because you're not gonna get your paint everywhere. Just gotta protect it. Okay, so, and then I think what we'll do, I'm gonna do this one, we'll leave those two, we'll leave this one, I think we'll do this center stripe here. So we'll take the center stripe up on either side. And then we will tape off the other stripes. Little stripe, little stripe. Oh, we'll just do the corner since I didn't get quite a big enough piece. Okay. So now I was thinking we could do this kind of brownish color. See how that looks. That should be enough to protect us. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Since we just took those off, we really should probably do more of this guy. Let's let that dry for about 5 minutes first, and then we'll come back and add the brown. Okay, so this is pretty good, I think. We're gonna try this brown. I hope it doesn't look like poop. Oh wait, that's not... There it goes. I didn't rinse my cap. All right, brown. Okay, letting that dry. Gonna unveil it in a little bit. Okay, are we ready to see if it worked? So we're gonna take off our masking, take off our blue tape, Look at the lines. Okay, one thing I want to point out is, I don't know if you can see it. See that discoloration right there? That is where the shellac actually seeped into the wood. So that's why I always say you want to hit it one more time with this, and it richens all the wood anyways. Makes it look really pretty. All right. I think it's pretty darn pretty. Okay, so I've spray painted all over my half rounds, but you can get an idea of what I would do next. I would put these together, and then we would glue these the opposite direction. Okay? Like this. We could add our name. This is a little too small, I think, but it's still pretty. We could add the leather strap like I've done on some of the pieces. This actually would be pretty cool with the leather strap. Lots of different options. So you don't have to cut to get clean lines. I'm telling you this, as long as you seal with the shellac, you're gonna be good to go. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.